Shannon Smit from Smart Business Solutions, often called the accountant that builds. I have undertaken a lot of, I've done residential and commercial builds as well. So I really understand some of the pain points that you go through as being part of a trades business. Now, just to touch on tax planning and why it's important to actually proactively plan your taxes. You can actually, there's a lot of tax planning we can do as accountants post year end where we can make some adjustments, tweak a few things and get a good tax outcome for you. But there are a number of tax opportunities or planning opportunities that must be completed before June 30. And those are the ones that I'm talking about. But what's going to be really important for this financial year is I know many of you, because the ATO said it was okay, deferred a lot of your PAYG income tax payments. So instead of paying each quarter as you're going through the year towards your income tax bill for the year, many of you put that on hold, which was great at the time for cash flow, and especially when many of us didn't know what was going to happen in this COVID world. Now, a lot of you are very busy as we're coming out, and that's a great thing, but we're going to end up with these great big tax bills that we didn't anticipate, and you haven't been paying PAYG income tax installments. Hopefully, you've been putting that money aside in that separate tax bank account that many of you have. But if you haven't, let's get you some clarity, or even still, let's get you clarity anyway, to say, what do we expect your 30th of June to look like? What does that mean from a tax perspective? And then we're going to plan for you, what are your income tax payments and GST payments for the next 12 months look like? So you can really manage your cash flow and kind of, I guess I would say, sleep well at night, knowing you've got that under control and not having to worry about that. So if you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us and we'll help you out with some tax planning.